Welcome to this breath awareness practice. And before you begin, just remember, this practice is not about fixing your breathing. It's not about breathing in a particular way or trying to force yourself into relaxation. The only goal here is to help your nervous system to settle a little, to reduce any unnecessary interference, and begin reconnecting with the body in a way that feels safer and less effortful. The magic of it is to let go of any expectation and be curious what's coming up. At the beginning it may feel challenging, but the more you do it, the more you start noticing more about yourself, about patterns of your mind, about patterns of your breathing. And feel that you need to control everything. So allow yourself to just be for this short time without trying to control and change anything. So let's begin by sitting or laying down in a way that feels comfortable. Comfort is a key here. And let your hands to rest somewhere easy. And before closing the eyes, can you just notice the room around you, the space around you? Notice the light, the sounds, the temperature, and the sense that you are here. If it feels okay, you can close the eyes and just soften the gaze looking down. And begin to notice the places where your body is supported. The feet on the floor, the legs supported, the back supported, the hands resting. There is nothing to change yet. Just notice the support. Notice how held you are. If it feels okay now, let your attention move between the room around you and the body within you. Notice something outside you. Then notice something inside you. Then outside again. Just helping the system move in a calm, organized way. And any time when the challenge arises with keeping focus or the mind is busy, you can bring yourself outside of the body, focusing attention outside, and then when you feel ready, you can go back to the body. And now if it feels available, start noticing the breath. Not to change it, not to improve it, just to notice. You might notice where you feel it most clearly right now. Maybe around your nostrils, chest, ribs, belly. Let the breath to be just as it is. If you notice any pressure to do this well, or any urge to control the breath, let that soften a little bit. There is no need for you to make the breath deeper, slower, better. Just notice. And if the breath changes by itself, that's also okay. Take a moment now to notice the body again. Notice whether anything feels a little bit more settled, a little bit more softer or clearer. And there is no right outcome here. Just notice what is present. And when you are ready, bring your awareness back to the room. And whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes.